Hey guys, welcome back again to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today, simply I'm going to be showing you how can we attempt to download or set up the environment for machine learning with something called Skykit LLM. Now, to simply make these things clear, when you look at machine learning, there are things that we tend to base on. At the moment, I'm going to pick some few things here for you. We have something called, let's try to run this. We have something called Skykit Now, this one here is a very important feature, very important feature or module in Python in machine learning, because we tend to use it mainly whenever we want to have one as a class of data and want to predict or give a set of data and predict it. We tend to use it because it has another good features that enables us to manipulate it. Like it gives us a good chance to deal with something called NumPy or NumPy, something like that. We also have something called Matplot library, or PyPlot or Matplot libraries, and we also have something called Skype, something like that. So this one tends to give us features if at all we want to make up graphs or give assumption. We are basing on at the moment we want to predict a given information from a neighborhood, or like maybe in the form of a tree, like maybe give assumption on the neighborhood in our neighborhood, something like that, whatever name you give there, or in form of a cluster. So that's what I'm simply saying at the moment. So it tends to predict first that information from a cluster. And the good thing with this Skykit LLM, it tends to combine all the features that needed for us to set up our Python framework. If at all you're going to base on the data within us or around us, like maybe in our neighborhood, and it's also good to handle one on as the cluster, and that's a very important thing in Python. Remember, when I talk of cluster, I mean at the moment I'm talking about one as the classified data. You get the classification of the data. Then we also have one as the unsupported or unsupervised data. Now, with unsupervised data, it's kind of far from the given user. Now, this will be in the next video. So at the moment, we are going to first set this to show that at least we have Skykit LLM installed in our machine. So the first thing to do at the moment, you can go to your computer, to your command prompt. I hope you guys at least by this time you know how to install the Skykit in your machine. So I'm just going to do this at the moment. I'm just going to come back down here and just type. I'm using Python 3.6, so I'm going to say Python 3.6.6 install for me something called Skykit LLM. So this Skykit LLM, like I've said earlier, is the feature that we need at the moment. And in addition to that, as that one is installing, the most important thing that we need to talk about right now in Python is these other more features. You get? These are the more other features that we shall be using if I told you to come up with a Python program. So after installing those, we shall also install this one, also NumPy and Matplot, and then Skyplot. You get? So that one is very important whenever we have them. If I told you to go to break down Python modules and we come up with a given Python program. You get? So let's just try to wait a bit as the installation time to wind up. It's kind of slow because of my net is kind of down. And then you guys who are interested in for short courses, internship training at OSP Pro Solution, just make sure you come in for the program, and then you get yourself a chance to learn machine learning with OSP Pro. So we're just going to wait a bit, a moment, and then as it tends to install for us. So far at the moment it's installing for us a job. Wow, that's great. It implies at the moment we already have that installed into our machine. So like I told earlier, we need also to make sure that at least we have NumPy installed in our machine. So I'm just going to not waste time. I'm just going to move that off from our computer and I type one on snappy. So this is mainly we're going to be using it for data visualization with data, or something known as data, or the data set which I'll be having to visualize per data, and using list and table to dictate and predict the given information from the data. So we can predict the stock, we can predict the information from a given user. Then we also have something called Matplot lib library. So this Matplot library, it will still work with the NIPI, because we'll have those two combinations to give us to predict for us the information that we shall need in the future. If at all a given kind of maybe the skip or the SkyKit line is ready installed in a machine, so we shall be in position to detect and draw a graph now. A graph, histogram, maybe things like that, maybe grid, detecting and trying to visualize for us that given data. Then we also have something called Skype. Now this Skype still works the same way, because it's going to be also predicting for us our given information. So at the moment, since we have already set ourselves, because I was looking at picking at least the first 3 other extra modules that really is needed in our machine to see that at least we have all these features installed. So guys, if you find this video interested for you, if you find yourself actually the video is cool for you, please make sure you subscribe down to my YouTube channel. And if at all there's any information like, let me know. Please make sure you comment down on our video tutorial. So make sure please guys you comment down on our video tutorial, so that you guys you tend to learn and you get to know more about how what we do. So guys, thank you very much. Hope you wish you nice time. We love you all. Thank you.